Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's actually my second work from home day today, but I got a very exciting parcel yesterday in the post. See if I can grab it. This ginormous box from a company called Cherryz. My camera's going a bit funny because I've got my natural light and it's really sunny, and then I've also got my my ring light as well, so I do apologise if it looks a bit off colour wise. But yeah, I have this ginormous box from Cherryz. They actually got in touch and asked if I'd like to pick some items. They gave me £50 to spend on the website, and the way I would say Cherryz, it's very, very similar to the likes of like a Poundland, a B&M Bargains, a Home Bargains, the range. It's very, very similar to that style of shop in the fact that you'll go on there and you won't think you need anything and you'll end up with a ginormous box like this. So like I said, a lot of the stuff is like props for work, so there's random stuff in here. I kind of wanted to show you guys just how random the stuff is as well that you can get from this store. And I also let a girl from work as well pick a few things too, because I thought I've got quite a big balance left and I'd already put everything I wanted in there. So yeah, there might be the odd weird stuff in here from her. So move a bit over so I can just sort of pull stuff out. So like I say, it came really well packaged. We've got the little Cherryz logo on the top, and there is a lot of paper. The first thing I picked up was a bucket and spade, which is a little bit of a random thing, but in work, obviously summer's coming up and I just thought like little props like this might come in handy. So I got a bright pink bucket and spade. I also got a lightning cable. This was just either to have in work, to have in my car, to have at home. I just thought it was like £1.50, and I think the bucket and spade was £1.50 as well. Everything is super, super cheap. I also got these, which is a little hen party photo booth props. They're like lips, there's like little, I don't know, I'm not planning on getting married or have a hen party, but this again was just for props for work. I need to make a separate pile for everything that I need to take in with me. I also got this, which is just like a little pen holder. There's like marble, there's a spot, and there's like a little leaf print as well. And I also got the matching like wallets for it as well. Cute. I got our little glasses. Like, look at this. This is a little plastic martini glass. Again, this is for work. This is just like a prop that I thought we would be able to use, but that was like £1.50, so I just thought they're quite funky. Got some little popcorn bags. There's 10 pack of popcorn bags. I also got these, which are like the Mrs. Hinch Minky things. There's a 2-pack in there. I don't have any of these, so I got some little things. I mean, they are a bit dodge, but I got those. I also got a beach ball going along the whole bucket and spade beach theme. I got some mints. These are my favourite mints for work. Just put them over there. I also let my little sister pick something, and she picked this little mug. It's got like flamingos on, like leaf print. Really, really nice and really well packaged as well. Like, it's not broken, which is really good. I also got a gin glass similar to the martini one, but a gin version, and there is another one in here as well. I also got, what was this one called? A margarita style glass as well. Oh my gosh, I also got some batteries. Just the girl at work wanted some batteries, so I was like, okay. I also got a boom ball, like the bat things, but they remind me of like going to the beach, so that was really cute. I think probably play that while I'm in isolation. I also got some fake sand. I actually didn't need this, but the girl from work thought it would be a good prop. I got some of the pink stuff. So they have like a whole cleaning range as well on their website. So like this and this are like part of the cleaning stuff. I only got these. Oh no, I also got some Flora as well, so they have like a whole cleaning range, and like this was £1, this was £1, this was £1.50, so it is really, really cheap. And like I said, it came super quick. I didn't actually mention that I ordered this late on Monday and it arrived yesterday, so it was, and yesterday was Tuesday, so it was really, really quick. I also got one of these. They're one of them like scrubber things that you pop the washing up liquid in here and then it like disperses onto the sponge. Cute. I got a little detangling hairbrush. I got some cupcake cases for when I make some like nice little Easter cakes. I got some deodorant. I actually got 2 deodorants, as you can see. 2, they're just the Dove ones. These again, I think they were £1 each, so really, really cheap. I got this, which I don't think Milo was necessarily going to need, but it was £1 and I was like, it might need it in the future. This is a slow feeding insert, so you pop that in your dog's bowl and then it like takes them longer time to eat because you have to like properly go around it. So that was only £1. They had chocolate and stuff on there, so I got some Rolos. I also got some curly whirlies as well. I also got this, which is a giant unicorn swim ring. This again is for work, like as a prop, but just quite funny. I've got like all my beach themed and we're not even allowed to get out the house, so that's fun. I also bought these, which are like them de-stress things. Again, they go off and work quite well, and I was like, if she's going to be squidging that, I'm going to be so jealous, so I got myself one as well. So we've got these for to de-stress. And then one of the most exciting things I'm really buzzing to use is these Super Hooper or Hoopla game. You're meant to use it in the bath, but I feel like you could use this anywhere as long as there's like a window or something for them like suction cups to stick to. Let me see if I can open this up. Yeah, so they're just like that, and then you just stick them, you know, like to a window or in your bathroom or whatever, and then you've got the little hoops to try and aim it on. Cute, right? And that is everything. The box is now empty. I'm probably going to put all this stuff back in the box for when I have to like properly go through it all and organise everything. But thank you so much to Cherryz for sending this stuff over. I would really recommend their website actually. It was really fun to scroll through because it's very, very similar to when you go to like a Home Bargains and a B&M, when you go in and you don't really need anything and then you end up with like bags and bags full of stuff. It has that sort of stuff in it, but also things that you might not have seen elsewhere as well. And in fact, they have loads of stuff. They have like stationery, household stuff. They have loads of kids' toys. They have things for like holidays, like the buckets and spades and all that sort of stuff. And I enjoyed shopping on it. And the things were cheap as well, which is a really, really good point. Like nothing in here. The only thing that was actually over maybe even £3 was the inflatable. Everything else was really, really cheap, like £1, £1.50, £2 at a push. So totally recommend if you are looking to find some bits on a budget. But that is it for this week's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of something different. I know I don't really do like homeware or like householdy stuff, so I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you would like to, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!